Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete cell in Excel shortcut. So let's start my Excel and here you can see I have data. So simply select the cell and you can press here the control minus and here one dialog box is open, delete. Okay. In delete there are the some options, shift cell left. When you delete this cell, this left cell will be shift here. Okay. And the second option, shift cell up. When you delete this cell, the below cell will shift up. Okay, so I select here the shift cell up and click on OK. And here you can see the below cell is shift up. Okay, so I show you here when I select the region south, the below cell will shift up, same as north also shift up with the T product. I show you. I press here control minus key, same as to delete the cell, and select here shift cell up and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the below shift will shift up, delete the selected cell. Okay. And the second way you can use the different shortcut key Alt HDD, and here you can see the same dialog box is open, delete. Okay, you can just select the options and click on the OK, and that's it. Your cell is deleted. Okay, that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.